Welcome students. Now you are introduced to English grammar class 6. Today our topic right forms of verbs. From this lesson you will be able to make some correct sentences, fill in the blank activities or write short paragraphs and compositions. Now today's topic is right forms of verbs. There are three components in right forms of verbs. Right means correct, form structure, verb action. What is right form of verb? Every element of a sentence generally relates to the verb. The verb appear differently in a sentence on the basis of their subjects. Subject, verb agreement, tenses, moods, voices, different structures, models, etc. Follow the picture. What is the boy doing? The boy is reading a book. What are the verbs? In these two sentences, the verbs are doing, reading. Here the boy is doing an activity. What is the activity? Read. So the verb is read. The verb read is placed in the sentence as reading. Why? Because you have to write the verb in proper tense according to the subject. Now there are some example sentences for you to understand right form of verb easily. I am playing football. He plays football. They play football. Russell played football. In the above sentences, the verb play is used in different structures because the subjects and tenses are different. Ronnie and Rana, two brothers. Padda and Meghna, two big rivers. In these sentences, two singular subjects are related with the conjunction and. So the above blanks, the right forms of verbs will be are, which is plural. Nobody absent today. Nothing useless in the world. Someone present there. Nobody, nothing, someone are singular subject. So the verbs used here are verb singular. So the answer of these three sentences are: nobody is absent today, nothing is useless in the world, someone was present there. In the first two sentences, the right form of verb is, and the third sentence, the right form of verb is was. The sky is blue. The earth moves round the sun. Verb here is, moves. These are present form as sentences means universal truth. Mother walks on the road every day. So every day, always, regularly, often, etc. will be present indefinite tense. Modal auxiliaries such as can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, ought to, must, etc. indicates present form of verb. Example for you: it may rain today. The answer is it may rains today. So the correct form of verb is rains. There is a homework for you. Some sentences are given here to perform right form of verb in these sentences. Thank you, students, for attending the class.